Hey there, welcome to another video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many Mac users might face when using MAMP Pro. So here's the problem. Every time you reopen MAMP Pro on your new MacBook Pro, you get this pesky alert saying, MAMP Pro.app would like to access data from other apps. Annoying, right? Even if you click Allow, it keeps popping up every time you close and reopen the app. What could MAMP Pro possibly be trying to access, and why does it keep asking for permission? Now let's get to the solution that will put an end to this nagging issue. The key lies in your system settings. Head over to Privacy and Security, then navigate to Full Disk Access. Once there, look for MAMP Pro and toggle the light switch next to it. After you've granted MAMP Pro Full Disk Access, go ahead and restart the app. Voila! No more constant pop-ups asking for data access from other apps. Problem solved. In summary, if you're facing the persistent alert issue with MAMP Pro on your new MacBook Pro, fear not. Just grant MAMP Pro full disk access in your system settings, restart the app, and bid farewell to those pesky pop-ups. I hope this solution helps you out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding.